Hello, friends. Constipation is one of the major issue that the mankind is facing nowadays. It is the gift of modern living and the fast foods. Friends, irrespective of the age, everyone one day or the other affected by this problem. In olden days, in the rural side, people used to consume the castor oil once in 6 months to clean up their body, especially the intestines. Now it is not possible. We cannot get the pure castor oil also nowadays. So, what is the remedy for it? Who are more likely to be constipated? The people who are more likely to become constipated, including women folk during the pregnancy and after giving birth, old age people, the people who are consuming more fast foods, who take lot of medicines, people who are having health problems, all these kind of peoples are more likely to be affected by the constipation. What is the remedy for it? My friends, you know that there are so many kind of allopathic medicines are available nowadays. Consuming that also leads to lot of other side effects. So what is the natural product that is available nowadays to give cure for this kind of problems? One such remedial measure is consuming Tiripala Suranam, an Ayurvedic product. Thousands of years people are giving this as a medicine for so many things in India. What is that Tiripala? Three fruits. That is the meaning. Amalaki, Paipaitaki, Haritaki. These are the combinations of Tiripala Suranam. Anybody can take this. No side effects. But my friends, you have to check the combination, the brand also. Because in some cases, they may mix some other chemicals. So these three chemicals are predominantly present in good brand Tiripala Suranam. You have to take 1 teaspoon after the meals in the night time. Take it in the hot water. If the dosage is not enough, you can increase the dosage. That depends upon the problem and depends upon the person. If a person who is not having any constipation problem, even that case, they can take up this at least 2 weeks once. That would be helpful to the human body. My friends, as far as my knowledge is concerned, Ayurvedic science says there are lakhs of microbes in the stomach, small intestine and big intestine. If the stools are not moving, if it is stagnant and those good microbes are not able to function, that leads to lot of complications. So constipation should be avoided, has to be avoided at any cost. So consume this Ayurvedic Tripala, no side effect, that will be helpful to you. My friends, I am the witness for the past 20 years. Myself and all my family members are consuming then and there to get rid of the constipation. This will be helpful to you, my friends. You know, health is lost, everything is lost. Please take care of your health. Thank you. Some of my friends has asked me to sew it. See, This is the brand and Tiripala I am using for the past 20 years. You can also consume this kind of Tiripala, but I am not supporting any brand. This is the one I am using. Thank you, my friends. Thank you very much.